Have you ever been working out consistently, only to feel like you've hit a wall? No matter how hard you train or how clean you eat, your progress just stops. That's what's known as a plateau, and it happens to almost everyone. Today, we're diving deep into why gym plateaus happen, what they mean for your health, and most importantly, how you can break through and start seeing results again. Taking care of your physical health through consistent training is vital not just for appearance, but for your overall well-being. Exercise improves mood, strengthens your heart, boosts metabolism, and reduces the risk of disease. But when progress stalls, motivation and confidence can take a hit. Understanding why this happens helps you train smarter, not just harder. Plateaus can happen for several reasons, most of which are completely normal and fixable. Here are some of the most common causes. Lack of progressive overload. You're lifting the same weights or doing the same reps for too long. Your body has simply adapted. Overtraining. Too much intensity without enough recovery can lead to fatigue and stalled progress. Poor nutrition. Not eating enough protein or calories can stop muscle growth and slow metabolism. Stress and AMP, sleep deprivation, both raise cortisol levels, which interfere with fat loss and muscle repair. Monotony. Repeating the same workouts every week limits stimulus, your body stops responding. Neglecting self-care and recovery can lead to hormonal imbalance, especially elevated cortisol and reduced testosterone or estrogen balance. Overuse injuries like tendinitis or joint strain, weight gain or fat retention due to stress-related metabolism slow down, mental fatigue leading to burnout, anxiety, or loss of motivation. Here are signs you may be in a gym plateau or overtraining phase. No strength or muscle gains for 2 to 3 weeks, feeling constantly tired, sore, or unmotivated, poor sleep and increased irritability, weight or body composition staying the same, decreased performance. Lifts feel heavier even with same weight. The good news is, plateaus aren't permanent. Here's how to overcome them. Change the stimulus. Switch up your workout routine every 6 to 8 weeks. Try different exercises, representative ranges, or training splits. Deload week. Take a week off heavy lifting to let your muscles and nervous system recover. Nutrition reset. Track your macros. Make sure you're eating enough protein, at least 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Sleep and AMP. Stress. Get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep and incorporate stress management techniques like meditation or stretching. Track progress. Keep a workout journal to spot trends early. Small changes add up. Follow periodization. Alternate between strength, hypertrophy, and endurance phases. Fuel smart. Eat a balanced diet with complex carbs, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can drop performance significantly. Prioritize recovery. Include rest days, foam rolling, and mobility work. Check hormonal health. If progress stalls long-term, consider a checkup to rule out thyroid or hormonal imbalances. The concept of training plateaus dates back to early strength research in the 1950s. Exercise scientists like Dr. Hans Selye identified that the body adapts to stress through a process called the general adaptation syndrome. This means, when we apply consistent stress, like exercise, the body first struggles, then adapts, but without new challenges, adaptation stops. That's why progressive overload is so important. If you ignore a plateau and keep pushing without rest, you may experience overuse injuries, muscle loss or fatigue, mental burnout, hormonal imbalances, long-term motivation loss. So if you're stuck in a plateau, don't panic. It's not failure, it's feedback. Your body is simply saying, I've adapted, now challenge me differently. Remember, progress isn't always linear. Stay consistent, listen to your body, and make adjustments when needed. The strongest athletes are the ones who learn, adapt, and keep going. This video is for educational purposes only and not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult a healthcare or fitness professional before making major changes to your workout or diet.